Hello guys. So today we are going to discuss about the cranial nerve number 5, which is also called as the trigeminal nerve. So this is me, Abrar Pathan. So let's begin. Trigeminal nerve, as we all know, the trigeminal nerve is a type of cranial nerve, and it is the largest cranial nerve present in our body, and it has three branches. Two are sensory and one is motor. Okay, so two sensory are ophthalmic and maxillary, and third is actually mixed mandibular nerve. Okay, so there are various nuclear columns present in the brain stem for this trigeminal nerve. So they are this general somatic afferents. Okay, general somatic afferent nuclear columns. They include three nuclei: spinal nucleus, superior sensory nucleus, and mesencephalic nucleus of trigeminal nerve. Okay, so I'll explain you about the functions of this nuclei. So spinal nucleus of our trigeminal nerve, it is responsible for conveying the pain and temperatures responses to from the pain from the face to the nucleus. Okay, then talking about the sensory nucleus, it receives the pressure and touch responses or impulses from the face. Okay, and mesencephalic nucleus, it receives proprioceptive fibers from temporomandibular joint, muscles of mastication. Now talking about the branchial efferent column, so this column actually innervates the muscles of 8 muscles, which include the muscles of mastication. Sensory and nucleus, sensory sensations of pain and temperature from the contralateral side of the body. Okay, they relay in this nucleus, which is present in the medulla oblongata. Okay, medulla oblongata, and sensory nucleus is present in the it is present in the pons. Okay, and mesencephalic nucleus is present in the midbrain. Okay, nucleus. Okay, and motor root supply muscles temporalis, lateral pterygoid, masseter, and medial pterygoid. Okay, and other muscles are tensor villi palatini, tensor tympani, mylohyoid, and anterior villi of digastric. Okay, and talking about the ophthalmic nerve, ophthalmic nerve is the first branch of the trigeminal nerve from the gastrin ganglion, which is present in the petrous part of temporal bone in the Meckel's canal or dural cave. Okay, and talking about the ophthalmic nerve, so it has three branches. First is the frontal, then second is the nasociliary, and third is lacrimal. Frontal is divided again into two parts. These are supratrochlear, supraorbital. Okay, and lacrimal branch, it actually has a secretomotor fibers from the lacrimal nerve, which innervate the lacrimal gland. Okay, and this nasociliary branch, it has five branches in total. Nasociliary also has 5 branches, like long ciliary nerve, branch of ciliary ganglion, posterior ethmoidal, anterior ethmoidal, infratrochlear. Okay, the maxillary nerve, it is the second branch of trigeminal, and it is pure sensory. Okay, pure sensory. Okay, and the branches of this maxillary nerve are middle cranial fossa, meningeal branch, then pterygopalatine fossa. It has 5 branches, like ganglionic branches, zygomatic, zygomaticotemporal, zygomaticofacial. Okay, posterior superior alveolar nerve. Okay, these are the branches of the maxillary nerve in pterygopalatine fossa. Now talking about the infraorbital canal, it has 2 branches, like middle superior alveolar and anterior superior alveolar. This on face, it has infraorbital branches of maxillary nerve, like palpebral, labial, and nasal branches. Okay, and mandibular nerve, it is mixed type of nerve, and it has like from trunk, anterior division, and posterior division. Okay, trunk, it has meningeal branches, meningeal branch, nerve to medial pterygoid supplies tensor villi palatini, tensor tympani, and medial pterygoid muscle. Okay, and from anterior trunk, it supplies muscles like deep temporal, lateral pterygoid, maxillary, okay, and buccal like skin of cheek, okay, and from the posterior trunk it supplies auricular temporal nerve like auricular branch, superficial temporal branch, articular to TMJ, temporomandibular joint, motor to parotid gland, okay. Lingual nerve is also a branch of a mandibular nerve, and it supplies the sensations of anterior to, okay. So I want to clear about the general sensation and special sensations of the tongue, okay. So general sensations of the tongue are carried by the lingual nerve of the trigeminal nerve, okay, and special sensations are carried by the via the chorda tympani branch of facial nerve. This is the figure. This is the Gasserin ganglion. This is nerve nucleus from here, V1, V2, V3, okay, fine. Ophthalmic division, see, and I forgot to mention that this ophthalmic division, it passes through the superior orbital fissure, okay. Then mandibular division, it passes through the foramen ovale, and maxillary division, it passes through the foramen rotundum. These three foramen, sorry, these two, which are these two, foramen rotundum and foramen ovale. These are the foramen which are located in the sphenoid bone, okay. And superior orbital fissure is found by the meeting of the lesser and greater wings of the sphenoid bone, okay. So you can read this now, Rajendra. This is simple, right? You just have to memorize it, okay, fine. Thank you. Bye.